Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Clerk login and sign up using the Clerk components. And also, I'm going to be showing you how to install it into your project. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is sign up. And to do that, just go to Get Started. After that, you'll be shown this page. You can use GitHub or Google to create an account or just fill in the form and press continue. After that you will receive a verification code in your email. Just put that in and you'll be able to log into your account. But I've already created mine, so I'm gonna sign in. Just put in your email address. After that, you will be able to log in to your account after entering your email and password. After that, you will see this. You can create a new application. Okay, I've already created one and I'm going to be using this one. But if you want to create a new one, it's really simple. This is a demo of what your sign-in component will look like, and you can activate and deactivate different things here. Like for example, here we go. If I do this, then you'll see that Google and GitHub are both options that I can use to sign into my account, and the email address is an option. Okay, and here you can give your application a name and activate and deactivate different ways of signing in. You can even use something like a phone number or your username. I think this one is limited to the paid version, but for the free version everything else will work. Okay, so I'm not actually going to create this because I've already created one. I'm just going to go back and use this one, and then you'll see different options to install this. I'm going to be using this. After that, just copy your API key. Now let's create a env file, and this is to secure our environment variable dot env dot local, and inside this you are going to put, I'm going to call this Clerk score key is equal to, then you just put in your key, save this, and now go to your main.jsx. Here is where we are going to set up our Cleric, but before that we need to install it. So close your server, run the command npm install at cleric dash react, and then press enter. Okay, Cleric is installed. Now let's start the server, and while that is starting we will set up the Cleric provider. And first we are going to get the key that we installed in our env file. So to do that, let's create a variable first. I'm going to call it Clerk Key, and I'm going to say import dot meta dot env dot. Now since I'm using Vite, I'm going to use underscore, then the name of the key, which is key. Okay, and I'm gonna create a if here so that I can get an error. And to check this, all I'm gonna say is Clerk Key and add a not. So if this is empty, then just throw this error. So first let's check this out. Let's do a console log. Okay, so before we move forward, I'm going to change the name of our env variable to feed clerk key because you need to add this for the environment variables to work. Okay, so we did not receive any errors. That means our key is working. And now what you need to do here is add the component clerk provider, add your app into this, save, and then you need to provide the key into a prop called okay, and just put in the clerk key. Go to wherever you have set up your routing, okay, and here we are going to add the login component that is pre-made for us using Cleric and also the signup one. And I've already set up the routes. You should know how to use React Router. So just going to add this. Okay, as you can see, and it's the same for the sign up. Okay, this is the page we're going to go to after we have signed in. Okay, so right now our components should be added. Okay, so the reason we received this error is because, save this, and the reason we received this error is because the K is capital. Okay, now you can see that when this reloads, as you can see, it's working now. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly add some styling to center this. Okay, now I've added some styling to the component, and now I can either use an email or a username to sign in, and the sign up page is also set. So if I go to sign up, okay, as you can see, sign up is already here. We can enter a username, email, and password, or use Google. But before any of this works, we need to set it up so that when we end up signing up, that it automatically sends a verification code to our email and also ends up redirecting us as soon as we enter that verification code. So right now this was a simple way just to show you that this was working. Now I'm going to divide this up into two components, and I'm just going to create a few pages here, and I'll just quickly do that and then come back. Okay, so now I've created the three different components. I'm not going to be doing this one because I'm going to create another video how you can create your custom sign up. We're going to be using this for that, and right now I'm going to be focusing on the login and sign up using the pre-made components. So it's really simple what I did. I just added this into the sign-in component that comes with Clerk into this, and just added some styling. I'm using Bootstrap, by the way. You can use Tailwind if you want, doesn't matter. And I've just added that component into this, okay, and that's it. I've just saved that, and as you can see, we are getting this. Right now I'm going to be making a few more Clerk tutorials, and after we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will be making full stack tutorials. So I hope you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.